So let's take this piece of plastic and try to use it as a wrist rest. It's not comfortable. It doesn't glide with my hand. It doesn't lift my wrist. It doesn't do anything. Of course, it's a piece of plastic. But Carpio, on the other hand, is not just made out of plastic. It has high quality materials, silicone pads, ABS plastic base, but at the bottom are PTFE Teflon feet, so Carpio can glide together with your hand while you're using the mouse. So in one hand we have this piece of plastic, and in the other the Carpio, which took us more than 1 year to develop. We worked together with physicians, created hundreds of prototypes and 3D prints, done a lot of MRI scans to develop and create a wrist rest that actually works and prevents wrist pain. Also, check out this cool packaging. Well, that is true for conventional wrist rests like this one, but not for Carpio. This ugly thing puts pressure on your wrist and compresses the tissues. That's why it's bad. And Carpio reinforces the pressure to the lower part of your palm. And also, it doesn't limit your wrist motion because Carpio glides together with your hand and allows your arm to move naturally. Well, be my guest for sure. Like 3D print it and send it to our place. And I promise that I will make a video review and compare it to our Carpio wrist rest. Sounds good? No shit. Like, of course, we're not saying that this little piece of plastic will change your life. Actually, it will. But take care of your ergonomics, like buy a proper chair, proper desk, adjust it for your height, take a break every now and then, do some stretch exercises, all that stuff. But also, definitely this thing will help. Okay, we need to talk about this. I understand that you think you don't need this because you've been using a computer mouse for the last couple of years and haven't had any issues. But the fact is that computer mouse usage or any other repetitive movements can lead to carpal tunnel syndrome or wrist pain and that stuff. But any doctor will tell you that prevention is the key when it comes to this. So instead of wasting a couple of thousands of dollars for the wrist surgery and throwing away a couple of months of your life to recover, you should invest 30 bucks, which is actually a price of a couple of coffees or beers, in your health.